Welcome to the universe, Buzz. Today's topic is how the International Space Station works. Imagine waking up to the breathtaking view of Earth from your window, watching as mountains, oceans, and cities glide by beneath you. Welcome to the International Space Station, or ISS, a marvel of engineering that has housed astronauts since the year 2000. In this video, we'll explore how the ISS works, from its intricate parts and assembly to what life is like aboard this orbiting laboratory. The vision behind the ISS. The story of the ISS begins in 1984, when President Ronald Reagan proposed a permanent space station. By 1988, the US teamed up with Canada, Japan, and several European nations to turn this dream into reality. Parts and assembly. Building the ISS is akin to assembling a massive Lego set. It includes thousands of parts that make up its structure, such as pressurized modules, like Zarya and Destiny, providing livable spaces for astronauts. Nodes that connect different modules, allowing easy movement throughout the station. Docking ports. Docking ports for various spacecraft, ensuring a constant supply of astronauts and supplies. The integrated truss structure, which holds solar panels and helps regulate temperature. Mobile base system with robotic arms for maintenance and experiments. Sustaining life in space. Living aboard the ISS presents unique challenges. Astronauts require fresh air, clean water, and food, just like on Earth. The ISS employs several systems to maintain a livable environment. Oxygen is supplied via shipments from Earth and produced through electrolysis, which splits water into oxygen and hydrogen. Water is recycled from sweat, urine, and other sources, making up about 80% of the water used on the station. Power and communication. Powering the ISS is essential for its operations. 8 large solar arrays capture sunlight and convert it into electricity. Each array is about 240 feet long, generating enough power to run over 40 homes. When it comes to navigation, the ISS utilizes both Russian and US GPS systems, alongside gyroscopes to maintain its orientation. Communication with Earth is facilitated through tracking and data relay satellites. Life aboard the ISS. So, what's it like to live and work in space? Daily life is structured yet flexible. Astronauts have set schedules for sleep, meals, and exercise, spending about 2.5 hours a day working out to combat the effects of microgravity. Tasks aboard the ISS range from scientific experiments to maintenance. Scientific research. The ISS serves as a unique laboratory for scientific research. Microgravity allows for groundbreaking experiments in various fields, from crystallization to combustion studies. For instance, flames behave differently in space, leading to new insights into combustion processes. Additionally, research on bone density loss in microgravity could inform future treatments for osteoporosis. The International Space Station is not just a scientific marvel. It represents global cooperation and the human spirit's quest for exploration. As we continue to learn from the ISS, we pave the way for future missions beyond our planet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights into space exploration.